So it is Saturday, 8:30, and Carlos and I are pulling into this new coffee shop here in town. It's called Collab, and I'm excited to try it. I've heard a lot of good things about it. We have the boy. Hey, what are you doing? Because we're gonna go for a little walk after, so we're gonna go in and get some coffee. What a glorious morning. Makes me sick. Come on. We're on my old college campus, going for a little walk with the boy. Where are they? Right there. And it is beautiful. There's like nobody out here. This was my school right there. School of Ed. I miss it kinda, but not really. Yeah, it's really freaking beautiful out here. Nice and crisp, not too hot, not too freezing. It's just perfect. So we just got back from our walk and from our little coffee date. That place was so cool. It's called The Well. There's a coffee shop inside called Collab, and the whole, I don't even think I got a very good shot of the whole place, but there's a downstairs like basement area that is the same square footage, and they have people that teach like art or music, just classes like that for at-risk youth. So I thought it was super cool. And I'm hopefully gonna try to get my students over there because I think they would really enjoy it. So I actually got yesterday my Ipsy glam bag, which is funny because it's definitely a box. And I figured I'd show you guys what I got before I go shower. Today is gonna be kind of a busy day. We, on the weekends, typically don't do much, so today we were like, let's do something. So that's why we went and got coffee, we went for a walk. We are wine members at a couple different wineries around here, so we have a pickup, plus we figured we would just stay and get lunch. I think they have like pizzas and whatnot, so we're gonna go do that. I'm really excited. And then later tonight, I don't know what we're doing. We kind of had an idea. There's a new place here in town that opened up that's axe throwing. How fun would that be? So we might do that, but we're not sure. But let me let him out to go to the bathroom, and then I will show you guys what I got in my glam bag. All right, I just let him out to go to the bathroom. He's back in now, and let's get into this glam bag. 2 years ago, I decided to be better about my money situation and budgeting and my finances, and I feel like I've done a really good job, but I'm slowly starting to regress back to how I was. So I told myself, listen, we don't need the BoxyCharm and the Ipsy, pick one. So this is going to be the last month that I'm receiving Ipsy. I will say I did really like it. I just, for now, want to focus on other things. Building a savings, so on and so forth. I had nothing else to say after that. All right, let's get into this. So the first item is from Tula Skincare. I really love this brand a lot. This is the 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. I've never tried this exact product, but I have tried their products before and I love them. So this is just what it looks like. Is it going to focus? I don't know. Oh yeah, so Carlos, when we've been like remodeling, if you guys didn't see the last vlog, go check it out. We built a whole ass pantry. Like how, I still don't know how we did that. It's just like a big blur to me. But because we're working on the house and we travel somewhat often, he got himself a black silicone band to wear during stuff like that. And I was like, oh, I want one. So he ordered me a white one, which is why I'm wearing it right now. I just wanted to like test it out to see if sizing was good, and it is. I like it a lot. All right, next item is Waterless Clay to Foam Daily Cleanser. That is the brand. And it says 200 plus washes. This is a tiny little thing for 200 plus washes. Oh my gosh. It's like a little glass jar, but like look at it in there. Can you guys see that? That is crazy. It's powder. Oh my god, hopefully I didn't snort any of that up. So it's just a powder, so I'm guessing it's like a powder that you mix with a little water. That's cool. Okay, I'm gonna try that. Next up, I got an eyeshadow palette. This is from Item Beauty. It's On the Daily eyeshadow palette. I opened this because this has like one of those like pull tabs right here, if you guys can see. Hang on. But I literally just popped it open from the bottom because I'm not going to keep this. I'm gonna tell you that right now, because there is just truly nothing in this world that I cannot stand more with eyeshadow palettes than when companies do this. Now you mean to tell me this color, this color, this color, this color was all necessary? They're all matte browns that when you put them on your eye, you are not gonna be able to tell the difference. I guarantee you. So it's pretty much 4 of the exact same color, and I'm just not about it. So could be a very good quality palette, who knows, but I think I'm gonna give this one to a friend to see if they can enjoy it, because I have too many damn eyeshadow palettes. Like it's embarrassing, really. Next up, when I saw this, I'm gonna let you know right now, I could not believe my eyes. It is from Pat McGrath, and I've always wanted to try something from Pat McGrath, but they're just so expensive, you know what I mean? And I just don't know if it's worth it. But this is a lip gloss in the color Love Potion, I think, and it's a really pretty, just light pink color, which is so cute. I can't wait to try that. I then got a clear brow gel from Anastasia. I'm not even gonna open that. It's just a clear brow gel. This one is from First Aid Beauty. See, we're getting a lot of good name brands in here, and I love it. This is the Facial Radiance Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. 2 more things. This one is from Aceology, and it's a multivitamin brightening mask, biodegradable mask. And then from Acton Acre, it's a plant-based dry shampoo, which I love nothing more than dry shampoo. All right, so that was everything in my glam bag. I'm now gonna go take a shower and get ready so we can go wine tasting, go to lunch, do the wine pickup. It's a good day. It is just really a good day. I'm wearing this little black shacket. It's kind of hard to see. From Shein. This bodysuit has like a square neckline kind of, and I love it. It's a little too small. It was my sister's and she gave it to me, so I don't know where she got it from. I want to say Amazon. And then I'm wearing these Ava and Viv. They're kind of like gray washed sort of jeans from Target, and I like them because I like the bottom. And then these shoes Carlos got me for Valentine's Day, and I love them because they're black and white. They're just freaking adorable. So this is what I'm wearing. I did curl my hair, but I couldn't find my usual curling iron. So the one I used had a bigger barrel, and it was a wand, and I have not wanded my hair in a very long time, but it kind of fell out quite a bit. But even just the waves, I am here for. And then my necklace, I'm wearing this. I got all of my girls a necklace from this brand for wedding day, so they opened it up, and it was super cute what the saying was. If I can find it, I'll pop it in here. Okay, I found it. The brand is Brian Anthony's, and I got each one of them one of these necklaces, and this particular necklace is the squad necklace, so you guys can pause that and read it if you want, but I just thought it was perfect for the girls.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say.
We came outside for a bit, and it's freaking beautiful. I have a nice little river creek situation. This is like typically where they hold the weddings. There's Carlos. Beautiful little staircase, and then they have this tree swing that is so cool. What's up, you guys? It's the next day. Actually, I should say the next night. It's definitely like 5 o'clock right now. Last night, we had dinner. We got home, had dinner, and went to bed, honestly. We just kind of lounged around, so there was nothing really to vlog. And then this morning, I got up and worked in the garage all day. Literally all day. There was so much organization and decluttering that needed to be done, and it's still not even halfway done. That's how bad it was. So I took a shower, curled my hair, I did my makeup, and I am about to film. I have my filming equipment set up here. I have my Fashion Nova items laid out, so I just need to open those up and start filming. I also have a Shein haul I need to film, but I honestly don't know if I want to do that tonight. Probably should, because tomorrow, we don't have work tomorrow. It's a 3-day weekend, as you guys know. And I'm going to Disney on Ice with my niece and sister-in-law and Carlos. So, and that's in Sacramento, and I live like an hour away from Sacramento. So I just have a feeling it's gonna be an all-day thing. I think we're gonna drop off a housewarming gift to a friend, probably hit up IKEA, and then go to Disney on Ice. So it's probably gonna be an all-day affair, and of course my battery is dying. All right, I am back with a charged battery. I have my glass of wine here with lipstick all over it. Not only do I have the glass of wine, but I also just brought the whole bottle because I was like, you know what? I'm gonna enjoy this right now. We're gonna do a little filming, possibly get a little tipsy, and just have a real good time. I figured, I know I'm gonna do a haul of this Fashion Nova stuff, but I think I wanna open just a couple of them and just show you. I'm not gonna put them on right now, but just to show you what I got, and then I'll put you guys down and actually film this video. Also, I'm literally just in my robe. I feel like I just live in loungewear and my robe. You guys probably think I'm just batshit crazy, but I don't know. Ever since COVID hit, that's just what I wear. I mean, that's about it. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is just a Dare t-shirt. Oh, this was my childhood, man. I'm telling you guys, we had Dare rallies and like assemblies, and we made these huge banners that we would run through. Like, I was all about Dare to keep a kid off drugs. I did get a couple like graphic tees like that, but then I got some more dressy items. I love this color so much. Oh my gosh, it's like a sage green, like silky, this is the worst lighting, silky button up. This is so pretty. Really excited to try that one on. What else do I want to open here? What is this, actually? This looks real beefy. It looks like denim. Oh, I think this is a denim jacket, but like a black denim, kind of acid wash. And if I remember right, it's a long line, like super long. Oh my God, that is so cute. Are you kidding me? I love that. Opened. Ooh, wait. I'm excited for that. Hopefully that fits. Y'all, I have truly just been living life, and by living life I mean have not worked out once in months, and also have kind of just not paid attention to what I'm eating. And so I'm the kind of person where if I don't, and it really is kind of sad, if I don't like pay close attention to what I eat, I legit just look at food and gain weight. I'm not kidding. Not kidding. So it's not like some major issue, but I just haven't been feeling my best, like really mentally or physically lately, and it's because I'm just not doing what's best for my body. I'm really not. I'm not getting any exercise, like none whatsoever. None. Not even like a walk. Just nothing. And then honestly just eating crap. So I know exactly what needs to be done. It's just a matter of me doing it, and it's really not even a weight loss thing for me, because I feel like I love myself no matter what size I'm at. But I think especially after losing, what, 75, 80 pounds, and then I guarantee you I've gained all of it back. I have not been on the scale in a long time, but I could just feel it. And I don't know, I'm just tired all the time, mentally not happy because I'm not physically active. It's just a whole thing. So that's, to be honest with you, why I feel like I haven't been posting on Instagram like I should, because I just don't feel good about myself. And like I said, it's not even an appearance thing, it's just like a mental thing. So yeah, I mean, that got a little deep there. But I just wanted to be honest with you guys as to why I've been MIA. I haven't even really wanted to film hauls or anything. So I'm gonna get back into it. I'm gonna go back to my like boot camp place that I go to because I absolutely love those workouts that I get when I go there. It's just a matter of being disciplined, setting my alarm, getting my butt up in the morning before work and going. All right, enough of that Debbie Downer shit. This is the last thing I'm gonna show you. It's just an oversized flannel, but the sleeves are like a different print and a different color. Once again, super cute. I got this, what the hell? I got it in a 2X. Well, I was gonna say it looks big, but it's like I'm big, so it'll fit perfectly, I'm sure. I think I'm gonna unwrap all of this stuff, get it ready, and then go get some pants and undergarments on and get to filming. I filmed my video, I changed into comfy clothes, I've already eaten dinner, and now I'm making cookies. But Carlos is watching a movie or a show, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me making a new kind of cookie I've never made before. They're called, I don't remember, Nutter Fruffers, something like that. Peanut butter and marshmallow. So let's go make them.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this will never last. Your words come out so soothing that I forget that this thing is confusing. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush of us. I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe. Me and you got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff, though. Having such a blast, but don't ask where my head is at. Cause I'm cruising through the rush.
So I just finished baking those cookies and they came out looking pretty good. I did not eat one. My stomach kind of hurts a little bit, so I'm gonna wait until tomorrow and then I will try one. But the recipe is from, I don't know, I found it on TikTok. I don't know what her name is, but I will insert it like right here. And I will put the link to the recipe down in the description box if you guys would like to try it. I think that is it for this vlog. I think I'm gonna hit the hay. It's already 11 o'clock pretty much, and we are going bright and early to Sacramento tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.